We're getting all fruit shots today. Yep. And I'm going first. And now we're all set for all shots. And I'm all set for mine too. And again, I'm going first. Since I went first last time. Oh, Lillian.
Oh.
Yeah. What is this? Caramel apple candy cone. And somebody wants one already, but I'm going first. For red one. Mmm. Mmm. Good cat. Good cat. And now the green one.
No more percent.
Okay, no more fucking had what? That lady took one. That smell good. Caramel and catty corn at the same time. Yum, yum.